Hare Krishna.
Wish you all a very, very happy and Krishna conscious New Year 2021. The year 2020 has gone, but it has made us very strong. We learnt a lot from the year 2020.
A very important thing which can be learned in welcoming a new year is that time is very valuable. Time is very precious, especially in this human form of life. We cannot get a moment by spending millions and billions of dollars. Time and tide wait for none. Therefore, in human form of life, we should utilize our time by serving the Supreme Lord, by serving the humanity at large, by giving them the rare gift of Krishna consciousness. In that way, the whole society will be happy. The whole society will experience the bliss. And that is the main purpose of human form of life. Life is all about making right choices. So in the year 2021, we can make a resolution. We can make a choice of shifting our paradigm from getting to giving. Whole world is very busy in getting valuable things, thinking that by getting valuable things, they will become happy. But the secret of happiness is not in getting things. Secret of happiness is giving happiness to others. If we give happiness to others, then naturally, automatically, we will also become happy. So we all want to become beautiful. We all want to become handsome. Ex-President of India said, if you want to become handsome, then extend your hand to some. In that way, we can become really handsome. Beauty is not about external beauty. The real beauty is internal beauty. So real internal beauty is represented by our qualities, by our virtue, by our value system. So if we change our value system from getting to giving, then we will really become beautiful and handsome. There are two friends. One friend prayed to the Lord, my dear Lord, in my next life I only want to get. The other friend prayed to the Lord, my dear Lord, in my next life I only want to give. So in the next life, one friend became a beggar because a beggar only gets, he does not give. And the other friend became a very rich person. The Lord is merciful to everyone. But we have to be very careful to make our right choice. So when we make the choice to give, then we become rich and we can utilize that gift of the Lord in helping others by giving them the rare gift of Krishna consciousness and make them happy. And that will be real New Year resolution in our life. Hare Krishna, thank you very much.